Dear friends, next topic is probability. In class 7 we are studying third chapter data handling and the last topic of the chapter is probability. Now in this probability, let us try to understand. If a coin is tossed. So if a coin is tossed, we may get a head or we may get a tail. So there are two possibilities, head or tail. So maximum possibilities are maximum number of possibilities you can say. Maximum number of possibilities or all possibilities, all total possibilities you can say. Total possibilities are either head or tail, that is 2. And if you want to find the possibility of getting head, means we are trying to find of getting 1, that is head. We may get head or we may get a tail. So possibility or a probability of getting head if a coin is tossed. If a coin is tossed is 1 upon 2. Try to understand this. This is total number of possibilities. Out of that, 1 we are selecting. Hence, it is probability is 1 upon 2. Similarly, probability of getting tail. Probability of getting tail is also half. Now next is if we throw a dice. If a dice is thrown, this is a dice. If it is thrown, then we may get 1, we may get 2, we may get 3, we may get 4, we may get 5 or we may get 6. So if a dice is thrown, if a dice is thrown, we may get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Can we get a 7? We can't get a 7 because 7 is nowhere printed on any of the face. Total 6 faces are there. So there are only chances of getting 1 to 6. So probability of getting, so total number of chances, total number of possibilities are 6. So total possibilities are 6. Total different possibilities are 6. Now out of this, probability of getting 1. Probability of getting 1 is 1 upon 6. Similarly, probability of getting 2 is also 1 upon 6. Probability of getting 3 is also 1 upon 6. Probability of getting 4 is also 1 upon 6, and probability of getting 5 is also 1 upon 6. Probability of getting 6 is also 1 upon 6. Please note, because it is one number that we are considering of the total 6. So the probability of getting 6 is also 1 upon 6. So probability of getting any one number is 1 upon 6. When there is no chance, we say that probability is 0. Means if a dice is thrown or getting 7, getting a number 7, if a dice is thrown, Now if you take this event, that if a dice is thrown, we get 7. It is never possible because 7 is not printed on any of the face of the dice. Hence, the chance is complete 0. There is no chance of getting 7 if a dice is thrown. Hence, the probability is 0. Probability is 0. Now, if it is sure, means rising the sun from east. Take another event, rising or sunrise from east. Sun rises from east. Now this is a sure event. Every day sun rises from east side. Hence it is a sure event. It is only going to happen and no other thing can happen. Hence probability of such a event is probability probability is 1. So please try to understand, when the event is 100% sure, probability is 1, and when there is no chance, then no chance of the event to occur, then probability is 0. It means probability always lies between 0 and 1. So probability of any event, probability lies between 0, maybe 0, or probability I am writing with P is always greater than equal to 0 and is always less than equal to 1. Now consider that there are 4 black balls and there are 3 blue balls. Now if this is put in a box, if these boxes are put into the box, and we are asked to draw, we are all asked to take any one of the if we are asked to take any one of the ball, then maximum number of balls are 7. And if one ball is taken, then what is the chance of getting a blue ball? Try to understand. So here we can say that there are blue 1, blue 2, blue 3 balls. I have named blue balls with B1, B2, B3, and black balls. Black balls I am naming with another letter. I will take black. I will take K, K1, K2, K3, K4. Please note, I have taken opposite pens. So these are blue balls. B1, B2, B3, and K1, K2, K3, K4 are black balls. Now if we put a hand in the box and unknowingly, without looking, take a ball, then we may get B1 ball, B2 ball, B3 ball, or K1, K2, K3, K4, any one of the balls. So of getting a blue ball, probability of getting a blue ball is probability of getting blue ball. So there are 3 blue balls. It means it is maximum chances are 3 of the total chances. Hence the probability is 3 upon 7. So probability is 3 upon 7.